Hey guys, so for today's video I have another what I eat in a day, but I figured I would do this one kind of vlog style. I have done vlog style ones in the past on my vlog channel, but I figured who cares, let's just do it on here too to switch it up. But let me know, maybe do you guys have a preference? I don't think most of you guys have a preference. I think you just in general love what I eat in a days. But yeah, maybe I'll switch it up, sometimes do vlog style here, sometimes I'll do like the voiceover style. But I am still gonna keep doing them on my vlog channel as well, but just on the vlog channel they're only gonna be vlog style. But yeah, if you want more what I eat in a days, make sure you watch my vlog channel. We do a lot of fun things on there, so I will link it up here. Anyways, I just got done filming. That's why I am in my bedroom right now. I figured let me like film the intro to this while I actually have some makeup on and I look presentable. So I just checked the time and it's already lunchtime, so I'm actually gonna go downstairs and make some lunch. But I did of course record my breakfast this morning, so I'm gonna insert that before we do lunch obviously. Anyways, I'm excited to share what I'm eating with you guys today. You guys know that I have been on a weight loss journey. I have lost 42 pounds now, I think it is. I currently weigh 133 pounds now. So I am in a calorie deficit, which just means that I eat less calories than I burn so that my body can lose weight. But I do want to encourage you guys not to follow my exact calorie intake because it is made for me, my body, my metabolism, my height, my gender, my weight, my activity level. It's just kind of like individualized for me. So if you want to know how many calories you need to eat to lose weight, then I'll go ahead and link the calculator down below that I personally love. I always like to include that disclaimer, and also just to let you guys know, I have already drank about a liter of water. I do drink 3 to 4 liters a day. I've gotten so used to it for years and years. I've always drank water. I've always drank like about 2 liters of water, but lately, like over the past year or two, I've been drinking 3 to 4 liters daily, and I'm just so used to it now that I don't really count my water anymore. I just end up drinking that much. A lot of the recipes today are going to be super quick and easy because today I am filming, I'm editing, I'm busy, I'm on the go. A lot of the times in my what I eat in a day is actually you guys see me cooking, and that's because on those days I'm like a little bit more low-key. I'm maybe editing and I just have more time to cook. Today it's a Monday, your girl do not got time to cook. Some of the stuff is already meal prepped and they're just quick, easy, fast meals that taste delicious that you will still lose weight with. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me today and show you guys what I eat. So for breakfast, I'm actually gonna make some pancakes. I tried these for the first time yesterday morning. You guys, they are so good. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting them to be amazing because typically anything made like protein version, it just doesn't taste good. Like protein pancakes or protein this, protein that. It just never tastes good. That's why I usually just stick to plain old protein shakes, but Protein World actually sent these out to me. This isn't sponsored by them or anything. So I just decided to try them. They're called the Slender Pancakes, so the calories on them are pretty good. So yeah, I just decided to try them. They are delicious, like so good. Today's a filming day, so anytime it's a filming day, I like to do a super quick, easy breakfast, whether it be a fruit smoothie, a protein shake, a quick sandwich. And actually today I'm gonna have this. So this is actually so quick and easy to make. Like literally the pancakes take 30 seconds on each side. No joke. Anyways, these ones have 10 grams of protein. I know that there are other protein pancake brands that have more protein, so I kind of want to try those brands. Let me know down below what your favorite brands are. So I just have a small bowl here and I am just going to put the mixture. I love how easy this is, honestly. I tried making my own like protein pancakes from scratch one day. Yeah, didn't work. So I'm just gonna put the mixture in, and it says to put 100 milliliters of water. At first I was kind of skeptical. I was like, water? Should I put almond milk? But I tried it with the water and it tastes amazing. So hey, 0 calories, I just use the water. I kind of fill up half of a small glass, but I put it in slowly so I can see how much I need. And then I'll slowly mix it all together. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need some more. And then I just keep adding the water as I go, just so that I don't over add water. And I like to make the protein pancake mix a little bit on the thin side because it makes it really easy to cook through. They may not be super thick and fluffy, but it's just easy to cook through and they still taste really good. And it makes for more pancakes instead of like one big one. And I already have my pan heating up. It's kind of like low medium heat. So for the pan, I'm gonna use this butter spray. It's just way less calories than using like a stick of butter and putting it over. So just gonna spray it once really quickly and pour the pancake batter. So I also want some strawberries for my pancakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick a few of these. and rinse them and then cut them up. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the pancake now. So now it's done. I'm gonna put it on the plate. A little bit more butter spray for the last pancake. Look how perfect that one came out. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut some of the strawberries. Normally I eat the strawberries on the side, but for today, I mean, I wanna make this look super pretty, so we're gonna just plop it on top. So of course I'm gonna use maple syrup. I am using real pure maple syrup. There is a lot of micronutrients in maple syrup that is nutritious, but it is very high in sugar and it is very high calories. So you wanna be careful how much you're having. I am only gonna have 1 tablespoon, which is 60 calories. So yeah, that's why I am actually going to weigh it, as you see here, because if I freestyle it, I might end up putting like 200 calories instead of 60. So we're only gonna put about 16 milliliters. There we go, so that's about 14 milliliters, but I feel like that's enough for that. And there we go, you guys. How delicious does that look? Like, so good. So good. I cannot wait to dig in. You guys, this is so good. Like, I am not even kidding. These taste like real pancakes. Like real pancakes. You would not even be able to tell that they're protein pancakes or lower calorie. So good. Okay, so for lunch, I am going to be making a burger. I actually have this one that I've already made and I froze it like yesterday or the day before. I usually don't make too many at a time so that they don't go bad. But yeah, this is pretty much just a beef burger. I like to make it myself because if I buy it at the grocery store, they're like literally 200, 300, sometimes 400 calories. If I make it myself, this is literally just extra lean ground beef made into a patty with a little bit of salt, black pepper, and it's like 150 calories. So, and it's super, super good. I love these burgers because they're really plain, so they're only 120 calories. So of course I'm gonna put some mayo. I like to use the half fat one because it's literally half the calories, so it's a lot better. But you still obviously just wanna watch how much you're putting. Yummy. Put our lettuce. I like a lot of lettuce because it's crunchy and fresh. And I like onions on my burger. So here's the part you want to be careful with. If you're like me and you love ketchup, you just don't want to put too much, obviously. There we go. How delicious does that look, you guys? So good. Okay, so it's dinner time and I am hungry. It's around 6:10. So I really want to make a chicken quesadilla. It's so yummy. I have some leftover chicken that I made just yesterday. This is garlic, salt, black pepper, a little bit of chili powder, and some paprika. So I'm going to use these tortillas that I got from President's Choice from Loblaws. These are actually in the aisle with the salsa and everything. So they're not in the bread aisle, which is weird, but I actually found them in the salsa type of aisle. And I like these a lot because they're 130 calories, which is really good. Normally, any large size tortillas are like 200 calories or 180, and it can easily add up. So I love these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the oven on the lowest option. We're gonna need both tortillas today. Oops, this one is broken. Okay, so since this one's broken, I'm gonna put it on the bottom. Yeah, so that when I flip it, all the ingredients don't fall out. Oh, that sucks, but it's okay. We gonna make it work still. So I'm gonna be using some salsa. Guys, fun fact, I always thought that I hated salsa. And I mean, it's like weird. I have like a love and hate. Like I kind of like it, but then I kind of don't, but I kind of do. So it's like really weird. I like it, but I don't know. I'm not in love with it, but I still I mean, I'm weird. You guys know me. I'm indecisive. So I'm just gonna spread. You can put however much you personally want. Oh, I forgot to get the cheese. And then I'm gonna lay out my chicken. And then now's the time when you can pretty much put whatever you want. I love corn, so I'm gonna put some corn. Some onion. I'm gonna use whatever's left over in this bag. And I really like to add some green onion. I'm just gonna wash this first. I'm really excited because I'm currently watching Jane the Virgin. I finally, you guys, finally got enough courage to commit to it. And I actually really like it. I'm not like completely in love with it. I don't think it's like the most amazing show ever, but it's really good and it's entertaining and it's, you know, it's keeping me occupied for now. I actually just got to season 3. So I'm gonna watch some of that while I eat my dinner tonight. So last thing I do is I always put a bunch of spinach. This is the last of the spinach that we have. I actually have to go grocery shopping probably tomorrow, unfortunately. But I always like to load up a bunch of spinach because it really does shrink. So it's a good way for you to get a ton of nutrients and a ton of spinach without feeling like you're actually eating it, if that makes sense. Like if this was a salad, there's no way I would be able to even eat this much spinach because it doesn't taste good like that. But if you just crumple it up in your quesadilla, it tastes delicious. Like I can't have my quesadilla without spinach. And then last thing you want to do is put the cheese right on top because that's what's going to help everything stick together. So I like to just grab a 1/4 cup scoop. It just makes it easier for like portion control. And I just do 1/4 cup. Sprinkle that all on. And then you could put the tortilla on top. Whenever I go to flip this after, it's going to be kind of hard this time because the bottom one is ripped. So pray for me. I always get so nervous whenever I have to flip it. Anyways, now you just want to put something heavy on top. Just to help press it together. So I'm going to put this pot and press it down. And you can just leave the heavy pot like sitting on it. And there's that. I like to leave it on each side for like about 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and flip it. Pray for me because this is always the hard part, let alone it actually, like, it's broken, so it's gonna be even harder. Anyways, we're just gonna do it really fast. Oh yeah. There we go. That actually worked out good. My heart literally races every time I have to flip it. So now we're just gonna put the pot back on and it'll stay there for another 3 minutes. And it's done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this pizza cutter and cut it into 4 sections. And I like to have mine with sriracha sauce. You guys know I love sriracha, so I'm gonna have that on the side. Guys, how delicious does that look? Like, what? So yummy. Let's do a little zoom in close for you guys. And it literally only takes me about 10 minutes to make. So that's pretty much it for the end of the night. I normally have a sweet tooth, so I think for today I'm just gonna have one of these and one of these, which will equal about 100 calories. This is one of my main tips, is just to get like little mini size or snack size chocolates. That way you can still enjoy what you like, but it's like portion controls. Okay, so that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.